Okay, we are on a giant hill, and I got it. I had to tape this, so I have to see which one falls first, because Chris just fell, but she won't reenact it for us. Oh, you, Mike, you want me to go? I'll go. We'll capture them. What? No! Put your... Put your feet sideways.
I like my pants.
Ow!
Okay.
Oh my God.
Did you get that, Erica?
Did you get that?
You did like a split.
Are you okay?
Woo!
I'm pissing my pants. When you fell, I'm like, oh my God.
You gotta be like, I'm okay. And then you're like, mm.
Yeah, like that guy, the puppet.
You wanna reenact that for us?
No, dude, I landed on a rock.
I'm afraid to go down this now.
Look like somebody. Yo.
I'm gonna zoom in, but it won't let me.
See.
Won't let me zoom.
I told you I'd fall. You didn't believe me.
I believed it.
That was painful.
Yeah, all of the world's gonna see you falling. All of the guys, like,
All the YouTube people on my channel. I'm gonna post it
I'm gonna
bolted.
be famous. People are gonna wish they could fall like me. Yeah, that's right.
I'm gonna make a
It's
tribute.
gonna be in movies, like.
Mm.
Oh, I'm in pain right now. I landed on a rock.
How much time do you have left?
I'm like gonna waste like 3 minutes. I'm gonna say, ow! That was the best ball ever!
Alright, I'm gonna get up and my butt's gonna be black. Chris, you get up. No.
Was that a racist comment?
I'm not getting up.
You're gonna do it!
Missy.
Dude, how did I fall? I was just getting up and I just
I won't
hold
like
this.
piss their pants. This is like.
I'm like sweating.
hold on to the tree. I'm not
That was so funny. There's a snake right near Missy's leg, right?
too much pain.
You're like gonna get up?
Slowly coming down.
You get a shot.
Cause I gotta get that close up and I don't wanna fall. And then the camera's like, whoa!
No. Jesus Christ, I think I broke a bone.
Yes, that's why you're standing. I'm afraid, Mike.
Okay, now.
I have a camera too, so this is pretty hard for me.
That was priceless.
Oh, this has to be one of the steepest trails. I'm like about to bust my ass. What the hell? You guys all left me.